In this video, you'll see how easy it is to set up a TRENDnet Cloud Camera and view live security video over the internet. Traditional non-cloud cameras require you to sign up for a dynamic DNS service, reconfigure your IP camera, and reconfigure your router in order to see camera video when you're away from your home. Well, TRENDnet Cloud Cameras remove all of these complicated steps with the help of TRENDnet's free cloud service. Let's see how long it takes to set up a TRENDnet Cloud Camera and view live security video from any browser. We need a wireless router that is already set up and connected to the internet. As you can see, we are using TRENDnet's dependable TEW731BR router. We also need a laptop that's connected to your wireless router. We will install our TVIP751WC cloud camera using a convenient Wi-Fi protected setup or WPS method. To do so, we need a WPS button on our router. If your router doesn't have a WPS button, don't worry. The CD installation will guide you through a traditional installation. We will time the entire installation by starting our stopwatch now. Okay, let's pop in the installation CD and select the Auto Run option when the folder opens automatically. Then we will select Install Camera and then agree to the terms of use. This window asks you to write down the MAC address of your camera. If you're installing multiple cameras, this will help you know which is which. Since we are only installing one camera, we will just click Next. Now we select the Installation option. Remember to perform the pre-selected WPS installation method. You will need a WPS button on your router. If you don't have one, select the next option to install the camera manually by searching for your wireless network. We will continue with the WPS method by clicking Next. Now we will power up our camera and wait a full minute for the camera to boot up. Then click Next. To connect our router to our camera, we will push the WPS button on our router for 5 seconds. Then within 2 minutes, push the WPS button on our camera for 5 seconds. The lights on your camera will not flash for 10 to 15 seconds. Then the lights will start flashing. A flashing pink light on the right side confirms your cloud camera is now wirelessly connected to your router. We click Next and the utility will search for and find the camera. If you click Next too quickly here, it may not find the camera because it's still syncing with your router. If this happens, verify that your camera's pink LED is flashing and search for your camera again. If the pink LED is not flashing, you will need to push the WPS buttons again. You can see that our camera was found and we click Next. We are now prompted to change the camera's password. We will change the password to TRENDnet. Write your password down. You will need it to access the camera from a browser. Click Next. Now the utility is changing your camera's settings, and your initial setup is now complete. You can see live video in the thumbnail preview. Click on the unique camera link. It has access to the camera and it is prompting you for the password. We will enter the camera password and voila! We now see security video from our camera over the internet. We'll stop the timer, and as you can see with all my talking, it only took 3 minutes and 10 seconds to complete the initial setup and see live video over the internet. To confirm, the TVIP751WC cloud camera is connected to the TEW731BR router over a secure encrypted signal. We have changed the camera's password, and we have a browser link that can be used on any computer or mobile device with an internet connection to view live video from the TVIP751WC cloud camera. The browser link used to access the camera is unique to this specific camera. Save this link as an icon on your desktop to access the camera in the future. You can now install the camera in its final location. For helpful mounting installation tips, check out our video titled TRENDnet DIY Camera Mounting Tips. To set up security recordings, go back to the Auto Run CD and install TRENDnet's free SecureView Pro management software. TRENDnet has a number of helpful videos on how to install SecureView Pro, program recording sessions, and review recorded video. Go to TRENDnettv.com to see more. If you would like to see this camera's video on your mobile device, check out TRENDnet's free cloud camera app overview for either Apple or Android devices. Make your home or business more secure in minutes with TRENDnet's hassle-free cloud cameras.